What's going on, guys? Jose here. Hope everyone's having a great day. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys my Invida q300 axleback exhaust. I bought this exhaust about a month ago on a website called AutoHense. It took me and my friend about an hour or so to install it. It was our first time ever doing exhaust. It's pretty simple. All you have is about 4 bolts and 4 hinges, I believe. It really helps if you spray the bolts with PB Blaster. One of my friends told me that and it helped tremendously. But yeah, let me set the camera up and then I'll give you guys a cold start. It's a bit warmed up, but it's around 56 degrees out here. But yeah, that's the exhaust, guys. If you guys have any questions about it, just leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. I'll be sure to post a video of my friend's Tanabe medallion exhaust in a couple days. But yeah, hope you guys have a great day and see you guys in the next one. Peace.